Jim trudged through the marsh, binoculars in hand, hoping to spot the long-billed, brown-speckled birds he had admired since childhood. Curlews had always been a fixture of this wetland, swooping over the grassy waters with their dramatic curved beaks. But over the last decades, their numbers dwindled as the marsh changed. This year, Jim feared he wouldn't see any curlews at all. Curlew populations worldwide have plummeted due to habitat loss, hunting, and climate change. To bring awareness to their plight, the Curlew Action Plan Working Group instituted World Curlew Day in 2010. It is held annually on April 21st, the first day of nesting season for Eurasian curlews. The day highlights efforts needed to preserve curlews and their natural habitats across the globe. With their populations declining, World Curlew Day is crucial for reminding people how special curlews are. These unique birds depend on threatened wetland ecosystems, and as they are near extinction, entire ecological communities are being lost. The day educates the public on steps they can take to reverse the trend, restoring habitats and protecting curlews from further devastation. On World Curlew Day, organizations promote events and campaigns to engage people in curlew conservation. Workshops teach about curlew-friendly land management techniques that provide the wet, grassy landscapes the birds need. Fundraisers collect donations to purchase and renew wetland areas as protected curlew breeding grounds. Social media campaigns spread curlew facts and raise their public profile. After learning about World Curlew Day, Jim decided to volunteer for habitat renewal projects. He spent the day cleaning thick brush from marsh areas to create better nesting sites. Though Jim only spotted one curlew this year, he is hopeful that with time and care the marshes can flourish again. One day, the shores may once more resound with the beautiful, fluting song of the curlew. April 21st is World Curlew Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a nice World Curlew Day. Cheers!